Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to unlock new ships in World of Warships. First, go to your port and open Tech Tree. Tech Tree is right up here. Click on Tech Tree and then choose the nation you want to progress in. Let's use UK. Click on your current ship and then you'll see the next ships in the line. So for example, if I go through the cruiser route, you can see the tech tree line right here, the next ships that you can potentially unlock. And then to unlock a ship, you need to play battles using the previous ship. So let's say I want to unlock this ship. I need to play battles using this ship to earn the ship's XP. And then I would be able to upgrade the modules of this ship to be able to move on to the next tier. Once you have enough XP, click on the locked ship and press on research. After that, you need credits to buy it. Click purchase and the ship will be added to your port. You can also use free XP if you want to skip the grinding. Other ways to unlock the ships are through going to the armory. Click on the ships tab. And here you can buy ships using doubloons or real money currency, coal, or even steel. Which if we scroll down here, we can see steel. Quick tips, always upgrade your current ship to earn XP faster, use economic bonuses for faster progression, and save free XP for harder grinds. And that's how you unlock ships in World of Warships.